How to apply promo codes on Vinted. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can apply promo codes on Vinted. And how do you go about it? The first step is to log in into your Vinted account, just like I've done here. And so after logging in and you're brought to your own page, you can go ahead and explore items on your Vinted account. Okay, and so once you can see all of this, the next step would be for you to select an item and then check out. You have to check out for you to be able to apply your promo codes. So for me, I'll be selecting this pair of shoes, and so move to the right side, where you can see more details about the item. Scroll down and then click on the option buy now. So after clicking on the option buy now, you'll be brought to the checking out page. So on this page, you can now go ahead and enter in your shipping address, very essential. Then select your delivery option as well, and then choose a pickup point, add your phone number, add your payment method, and then by adding your payment method for this particular item, you can see that the postage is free, but for some you might have to pay. And also for the particular item, you can see that promo codes are not allowed. This is to show that you cannot apply promo codes to all products, but for some you are allowed to apply your promo codes. If promo codes were allowed, you would have seen it on this page, either below payment method or above payment method. And then if you happen to see there, just go ahead, apply your payment, apply your promo code, then move to the right side and click on pay, and then the promo code would be used to pay for the item. And if the promo code is not enough, the discounts would be given and the remaining amount will be deducted from your account balance, and you would wait for your pair of shoes or your clothes or whatever that you've ordered to be delivered. So this is it. It's very simple. Okay, just ensure that the products that you would like to apply a promo code for accepts that form of payment, and then once it has been accepted, enter in all of your details, move to the right side, click on pay, and you are good to go. So that is it. Thank you for watching, and apply that promo code or those promo code today. Thank you.